Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on how to make money online. First of all, we are glad to have you back. We want to welcome you back and we want to thank you for watching our videos. Our channel specializes in making videos about making money online. So remember, we are constantly uploading videos on ways you could spend your time on the internet and make money. So if you're interested in this, if you want to make money hanging out at home without having to leave your house, then this is the channel for you. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure the notifications are on and we will let you know, YouTube will let you know next time we have another awesome video on how to make money online. Today's video is about YouTube and Amazon. That's right, this is a way to make money through YouTube and Amazon. We're gonna show you how to post and how to manage a social media that is YouTube in order to make money through two sources. All right, so we're gonna combine a little bit of the knowledge of two videos and two ways to make money, and we are going to make it into one to maximize our potential earnings, right? So stay tuned all the way to the end of the video and make sure that you watch the entire video so that you know how to make money through YouTube and Amazon. It's very simple. We're about to get started, so make sure you're ready, make sure you have somewhere to write down, and let's go. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to go to YouTube, right? We're gonna look at YouTube and we're gonna recognize YouTube for what it is. YouTube is social media. YouTube is a social media platform. We think that it's just a videos webpage, but it's really a social media platform. Why? Because there is interaction in between people, in between watchers, in between producers, in between everyone, right? So YouTube is social media. And then we have Amazon. Amazon is a marketplace, right? So why are these two important? Because they are both ways you could earn money online. That's right. If you combine both of them, you could make a very good potential living out of this. And you might be thinking, well, but what are you talking about? Like, how do you mix Amazon and YouTube and make money? I'm about to tell you the secret. And the secret is that people shop on Amazon and people watch YouTube. That's two of the things that are gonna happen regardless of what you do, right? So why not take advantage and take a piece of the pie through selling advertisement in YouTube and letting people watch these things that you're uploading and then buying through you, while at the same time providing stuff that people want on YouTube, right? So let's take a look at here first, right? So we're gonna go to just crazy examples, right? So we're gonna go to Powerful Joe Rogan, right? This is a podcast. It's very popular. It has a lot of subscribers. It has 8.5 million subscribers, right? It has millions of views per episode. It's a cool podcast, right? That a lot of people watch. Now, how much money is this podcast really making, right? Let's take a look. We're gonna go to this webpage right here, Social Blade. We're gonna put in their URL, and we're gonna make sure or check how much money they are making through this podcast. In between $27,000 and $442,000 a month. That's crazy. In between 27 and 442. That's an average or like a mid-ground or of about $200,000 a month from these videos, right? Now you might be thinking, yeah, but I'm never getting that far. I'm not trying to be famous or anything like that. I'm not trying to become a YouTuber, etc., etc., etc. This is one of the most profitable ones. You're right. You're 100% right. Now, I'm not trying to tell you go out there and become a YouTuber or try to become famous through YouTube. That is in no way what I'm trying to tell you, but I'm trying to show you something. And if you watch until the end of the video, you'll find out the secret and why this is worth it. This is worth checking out. Now let's look over here. I typed in top 10 on YouTube. We can see there's a lot of videos of like list of top 10 stuff, and we can see that they have a lot of views. There is a lot of views in all of these videos, right? And there are videos made by a lot of different content creators. It's not just the same one. Why? Because everybody can make a top 10 list. Now this is the first example was to show you how much money could be made on YouTube. An incredible amount of money, right? This second example is to show you that there is a lot of different videos within the same categories in YouTube. And some of the most popular ones, for example, this one that I just clicked on, we're gonna take it over here to Social Blade, and we can see that they're making in between $12,000 and $202,000 a month for top 10 videos. They're not even creating their own content. Well, they're creating their own content, but they're making lists about stuff that they think it's the scariest or they think is the funniest, etc., etc., etc. Now, this is to serve as an example that you don't need the most original material or the best materials to be profitable in YouTube, right? You could just do a compilation of stuff and make a really good amount of money just from making those videos. Now you might be thinking, yeah, but I'm not trying to make top 10 videos, right? Like that sounds like a full-time job, trying to find stuff and categorize it and say this one is top 5 and this one is top 10, etc., and then making the video. That's not the kind of stuff I want to do, but hold on, there is an easier way, and I'm about to show you now. I mentioned Amazon earlier, and here is where Amazon kicks in. Here is where the secret starts getting revealed, right? So make sure you watch until the end of the video so you find out everything about this. Now, how do we make money through Amazon and YouTube? How do we make videos on YouTube that are making money because they are videos that are going to be watched? And how do we make money, even more money, using Amazon at the same time? Now, if you have watched our previous videos, we have a video on something called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when someone pays you a commission every time you sell one of their products. You do marketing on their products, you sell one of their products, and you get paid a commission. Now, we have a lot of products that a lot of people buy over here. We have a lot of appliances on Amazon that are being sold every day, a bunch of times. Now, if we go to Amazon Associates and we somehow find all of our appliances or appliances that someone we know might have that have bought through Amazon, and we can find them here and get a link that would pay us every time someone buys it through our link, we have a combo that cannot be beat, you know? So let's think about Amazon Associates. Sign up, get the link, go back, go find your appliances, you know, make a review about your appliances. For example, let's say I bought this blender about 2 weeks ago and I really like it, right? It's a really cool blender. I want to make a video about it because I really love it. So I get the code, I go to YouTube, I look at the videos that are already there, and the first one has 47,000 views. Just the first one has 47,000 views. Just a video about a blender. 47,000 people. You know how many people that is? That is a lot of people. Now, if we look at the rest of the videos, there's a lot of them about the same blender, and they all have a good amount of views. Not all of them, but some of them have a good amount of views. Now, some of them have better production value than others. Some of them are negative, some of them are positive. But if we click on this first one that has 47,000 views, we look at it, it has a little bit of production value, right? And that's cool. Now, let's look at the channel. If we go to the channel of this person reviewing this blender, and then we take that channel, it looks like a nice channel, Best Kitchen Reviews, and we take it to Social Blade, and we put in the URL and we check how much money they're making. They're making in between $437 and $7,000 a month. Let's say they're making on average a little less than half of that, so they are making about $2,000 a month just from uploading videos about blenders and other kitchen appliances. I think this is a really good deal, guys. So let's go to another example. Let's say you bought a cheap coffee maker, right, from Amazon Basics. It's $21, $21.99, right? So let's say I bought this, I'm a college student, and I decide I want to make money back on it. First of all, I go to Amazon Associates, I get the link, and then I come to YouTube and I make my review, right? We see a lot of reviews in here. Some of them don't have that many views, right? Not every single product is gonna have a lot of views. Not everybody's buying a lot of the same products, but it would be cool to find those products people are buying and then making a video about them, right? So in this example, we have a video about Countlor Cutler, right? Countlor Cutler has a video about this Amazon Basics 5-cup coffee maker. It has 24,000 views, right? Doesn't have many subscribers, 358. This channel is alright, right? But it's a $22 coffee maker. They have other videos with way more views and way less views, right? So that's kind of cool. But let's take a look. Let's see in Social Blade how much money they're making from their channel. they are making between $14 and $226 a month, which is not the best, but it's not bad at all either, right? They make the quick videos, very simple, very easy videos. They upload them and then they forget about them, and they're making money monthly just from having them there, right? So that's the cool thing about YouTube, that it adds up, you know, like through the years, through the time, it's just slowly building up views, because people are gonna keep buying the products and then they're gonna keep watching, right? So now we have this other example, right? We have this juicer right here, this cool juicer, $106. Now, if we take this juicer, we take the name and we take it to YouTube, we're gonna look at another example. Let's say someone decided to make a video about this, and turns out there is a lot of videos, not with many views, but a lot of videos, right? So let's click on this first one, and this is a video by Rashbir Mangat, right? He has 829 views, not many views, right? As I said, maybe this is not the most bought juicer, or for some reason people aren't really looking for reviews or videos on this, but so he's not making much money, right, on the views. But if we click on that link down there, look at this, it sends us to Amazon where we can buy the blender. Now, if we were to buy that blender right now, he would make money. One, from that video, and two, from us buying the blender, because when we clicked on the link, it let Amazon Associates know that he was selling us that blender, because we got to that, that juicer, because we got to that juicer through this person. Now, if we look at his account on Social Blade, it's not really profitable. $2 and $25, that's not a lot of money. He's not making much money from this, but it adds up, right? As I said, you could be making videos about stuff that you already have, about stuff that you are buying. You can make reviews, you can show people that are gonna shop on Amazon what this product works like, and how big it is in real life, things like that, right? And these people are gonna go and watch them, and you're gonna make money on the watch, and you're gonna make money on the fact that you could be selling it through Amazon Associates. Now let's take a look at this other review right here, right? We looked at a lot of reviews over there, but there's this one right here. It's not the best review ever. It's by Super D. We see he has no link, so he's not making money right there. He's losing money. And let's take a look at his webpage. Let's at his channel. So let's take a look at his channel and see if he's making money out of this. He's making between $8 and $132. Now, if we looked at his channel, he had some kind of reviews, but they're not the best, right? People are not gonna click on things that look ugly, to be honest. So make sure that your videos are at least worth it, but they're at least informative. And if they're a little informative and good videos, you're gonna make a little bit of money. Now let's look at another example here. Here's this coffee maker. We go through the whole same process. We click on the first video that we found. This is by Philip Kova, and if we see, he has the links. He has the links to the K-cup holder, to the coffee maker, and this is great because he's making money through that. Now let's take a look at his channel. Let's go to Social Blade and let's take a look at how much money he's making through this. He is making in between $70 and $1,000. That is not bad at all. The mid-range or the average is gonna be about $500, $400, which is really good money just for making videos about stuff you might already have, or that you are thinking about buying, or even stuff that you might know. Even making videos about, I don't know, playing the ukulele and putting a link to buying a ukulele could make you money, right? So there is plenty of ways to make money online, but this to me is one of the best ones. It takes a little bit of effort, it takes a little bit of work, but it's very profitable once you get the hang of it. Now let's look at this other appliance, right? We have an immersion hand blender, and if we look at it in YouTube, we try to find it on YouTube, we will not find that same brand blender. We are gonna find other immersion blenders and other reviews, but not that one. So there is a spot right there, for example, for people who are looking for the video for that product. So you could go on Amazon Associates, find that product, and you could buy it, and then you could have that product, do a review video, upload the review video, sell the product through the link on the review video, like this person is doing with this other immersion hand blender. And if you click on it, we'll click on it in just a second, you're gonna see that she would be making money on the sell and on the video, because she also has 13,000 views. 13,000 views, 192,000 subscribers. So she is doing it right. She's making a lot of money from her channel. Let's see how much money she's doing from her channel. And she is also making money through Amazon when she sells that blender. So again, this is a great opportunity. She's making between $315 and $5,000 a month from making those videos. You can make those videos with your phone. These are easy ways you can make money. You can make money with things you already have, with things you already bought. You could make money just talking about them and giving your feedback on how you would make the product better, how you would make the way to use it better, right? So again, I wanna invite you to check it out, to try it out, right? Look for stuff that you've bought on Amazon on your house. Try to find them on Amazon Associates and try to sell them to other people through videos on reviews, and you will be making money while you sleep, while you hang out with your friends, while you're doing other stuff, while other people are watching your video and buying your products, right? So check it out and let us know in the comments if this is something you would try, if this is something that interests you, if there's something you would like to see from us. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to our videos, make sure you watch our other videos and learn other ways to make money online. And especially because if you watch our other videos, you're gonna understand this video a little bit better. We have a previous video we made on affiliate marketing that might be very beneficial for you to watch before you try this stuff. So we want to thank you very much for watching. We want to welcome you to watch our other videos. We want to welcome you to subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you again. Stay safe and go make money.